this awesome thunderstorm with my brother Joe, hanging out in the parking lot now at Binny's, waiting to go in and see Dominic Chianici and Vincent Pastore of the Goombas, the Sopranos.
Hey James.
Hey Joe. We're videotaping each other in the thunderstorm.
In
what do you know? In the thunderstorm. It's really good. This badass lighting. I just got pelted in the eye. Don't open the window even for video.
Rock the car.
It's really good out.
Playing team tonight.
Nice knowing you, Dr. Venkman.
I'd say that's a big yes.
It's just sheets of rain. You see that just smacking down.
Oh man, when we get out, we're gonna be running.
That's why I'm waiting for a second. Wow. What's more fun in there? Yeah, it's crazy out there. I'd love to just go out in the rain and video it, but maybe I'll do that when I walk out. It sucks. My camera would get drenched. Why didn't we bring umbrellas? Are we not smart people?
I don't think we knew it was going to be this bad.
Shit. This is bad.